Hi, and welcome to StarItLearning, your dedicated platform for mastering Swedish from beginner to advanced level. Our structured online courses guide you from A1 to C1, helping you build fluency and confidence in everyday and professional Swedish. At StarItLearning, we believe learning a language is about building real-world skills, from mastering grammar and writing to sparking lively conversations and understanding Swedish culture. Our courses help you communicate naturally in any setting, whether it's ordering fika or acing a job interview. Aligned with the CEFR framework, our courses are grouped for seamless progression. Beginners, A1 to A2, cover essentials like greetings and daily life. Intermediate, B1 to B2, dives into topics like news and culture. Advanced, B2 to C1, tackles complex themes like philosophy, society, and Nordic history. And at the master level, C1, you'll explore advanced topics such as myths, nobility, linguistics, family law, communication, and literary history, unlocking true fluency. Take our free entry tests to find your perfect starting point. Grammar is the backbone of fluency, and we make it accessible at every level. Beginners learn basics like word order and tenses, while advanced learners refine nuances like conditional forms and prepositions. With targeted exercises, you'll speak and write Swedish with precision. Every lesson at StarItLearning is engaging and interactive. Expect warm-up conversations, news discussions, reading and translation practice, plus phonetics, pronunciation, and writing exercises. It's a complete language workout tailored to help you shine in Swedish. It's designed to fit your schedule and goals. We use top-notch resources like Rivstad and Språkporten, packed with thematic chapters and rich audio, plus grammar-focused books like Focus. You'll also get free lesson-sized materials, including cultural insights on Swedish food, history, and more, making learning both practical and fun. Unlike SFE courses limited to B1, StarItLearning advances you to C1, ready for thesis, higher education, citizenship, or permanent residence. Our flexible, tailored lessons include cultural media and insights from Swedish companies, preparing you for real-world scenarios, from daily life to passing the thesis exam for higher education. Ready to try it out? Your first lesson is completely free. Individual lessons start at just 250 kronor for 90 minutes, with group lessons as low as 60 kronor per hour per person. Plus, our lesson packages offer great discounts to keep your learning affordable. Courses are set for 15 lessons per sublevel, but can be adjusted. Learning Swedish with StarItLearning isn't just about language. It's about connecting with Sweden's culture and community. Whether you're aiming for permanent residence, citizenship, or a career boost, we're here to support your journey every step of the way. Our experienced team at StarItLearning draws on over 15 years of expertise, teaching everyone from newcomers to professionals at companies like Ericsson, Tetra Pak, and Volvo. With a passion for linguistics and personalized growth, we create inspiring lessons that help you thrive. Ready to unlock your Swedish potential? Visit StarItLearning.com for course outlines, entry tests, and more. Or email us to sign up. For other services, head to startmedia.com. Let's make your learning adventure begin. StarItLearning is proud to have empowered learners from leading organizations like Tetra Pak, Ericsson, and Volvo. Join our community of successful students and take the first step towards mastering Swedish today. Välkommen till StarItLearning!